Hello guys, welcome back to my
No, first video.
Oh yeah.
And now we're gonna make a gun for the first time.
Okay.
For that.
Make me a gun.
Then shoot.
Voila!
Voila,
That's
this
mine.
is
No, you're dead.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, give me. And where's the
Look,
bullets?
there's bullets over here.
Oh, thank you.
It's made from grass, things, and blah blah. So go put that there.
Okay, thank you.
Oh look, a chest.
What?
There's
Chest.
a mini bow. It's
Oh,
dirty.
cool. Oh, that's cool. I want to kill you right now.
And there's a sword and a spear.
Oh, you have too many overpowered weapons.
Royal Guardian sword.
But anyway, guys, this game's titles the Let's Take an Adventure, and me and Autistic Gaming we're
I'm
gonna
not Autistic
take
Gaming.
adventure. Okay,
I'm the Creeper Gamer.
we're gonna adventure. Okay. Oh look, it's a sunny day.
Gonna do all weird.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
You're the first.
I'm just gonna put my in my pocket. There we go. Gonna use this sword.
What are you doing? Are you autistic? Autistic. But where do we go? Stop! I will shoot you like one hit. But where do we go? Okay, let's go right there.
Hey, where's my bow right here?
Let's go there.
Let's kill chicken.
Oh, there! You're gonna die, chicken. Aha! I kill him! Oh, there's the chicken breast. Get the chicken breast right
There's
here.
no chicken breast. That's
Yeah.
plastic.
Oh, sorry. Let's go. La 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 la.
Dual wield right now. Dual wield right now.
Oh look, I found a player.
Oh my god, that's scary.
No, I think that's a
Kill the
villager.
cat. Let me kill the cat, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah! Guys, it's an ocelot. Scared of people.
Oh, I cannot shoot it. Oh, there's a cat right there. No, wait. I'm gonna shoot it. Where is it? Oh, there you go. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, and she died. Okay. Okay, and there's many. Yeah, let's kill them. But I think there's an owner of that cat. Oh, I think I'm gonna make tools or weapons. But this gun is so overpowerful. It takes one hit. Or this guy, I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, let's go back to our base.
Yeah. Base. That is boring. Oh my.
But we're gonna take an adventure. Oh guys, this is the episode 1, and
I need one more arrow.
and please subscribe in our channel and like or leave a comment.
Or share it on Facebook.
Yeah,
Or
like us on our web. We're gonna back in our base. Oh wait, oh look, there's an command block, and I'm gonna type kill that guy. Oh, the redstone. Ugh. Come on.
Maybe you need a lever. Like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Kill that guy.
Oh wait, this is a button.
Why did it works? Come on.
Yeah, no. You're a noob.
I'm not a noob.
No, you don't. I'm not a player.
Ah, you died. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Goodbye to our. Wait. Goodbye, guys. And this is the episode 1 of Let's Make an Adventure. And see you to my another video.
Breakfast!
Oh, para save mo na. Paano ba ito save?